Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to change your controls on Fortnite Mobile. Now there's actually two sections. I'll show you both of them. The first one you can access by coming here at the top right, clicking on these three horizontal lines. Okay, then come here, click on settings, and here I'll show you the different options. So we have the touch and motion settings. You can come here, you can adjust these as you please. Then we also have the controller settings. We have input, quick weapon, right sensitivity, controller dead zone, vehicle settings, tank settings. And the other one, which most people don't know where it is, come click on these three horizontal lines, then click on the three horizontal lines again, and click on HUD layout tool. Now here you can change your whole layout. There's different modes: combat mode, building mode, right? You can go ahead and drag these things according to your needs if you want. And if you want to go ahead and reset, you can just click on this to reset it. But it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.